Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for Airbnb. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to stop their notifications on Airbnb. Maybe you don't use it as much anymore. Maybe you don't want notifications when you get messages. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do, we're going to go into our settings tab here. And then once you have this open up, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says notifications. So notifications is located right above sounds and haptics. So once you're here, you want to scroll down until you can find the Airbnb app. So click on the Airbnb app. Next, once you're on this page right here, you're going to see a toggle button for allow notifications. So notice how if I toggle it off, all of those settings disappear. And then if I toggle it back on, those settings start to reappear. So this is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications for Airbnb. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.